First of all, I appreciate Edexmy LMS team, which provide a best platform for us. When I joined this session, though I am not sure it is such an amazing thing in this session, but time to time I realize that this is a very good session. In this session, I learn lot of learning things, learning tools, which are very important for teaching. Rather than our teachers are very honest and and are very good knowledge. They provide us many tasks uh, uh, with with session which we cover and gain many things. थैंक यू एडेक्समी टीम फॉर सच अ गुड प्लेटफॉर्म एंड आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया जिन्होंने फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट हमें इतना ट्रेन किया एक आम ऑर्डनरी बंदे को एक प्रोफेशनल वे में टीचिंग करना प्रोवाइड किया